Today I want to share with you guys a recipe that I found off of Pinterest that I think is going to be our traditional Christmas decorating soup. So what that means is every year after this year when we decorate, I want to make this for our dinner, and it could be a start of our new traditions together. And it looks really delicious. It's very hearty. It has vegetables, it has meat, it has a little bit of noodles in it. So, you know, if you do have some dietary restrictions, gluten-free pasta, you know, if you're a vegetarian, just omit the meat. So make it yours, and yeah, I'm really excited to make it, so let's start cooking. First, you have to ground the ground beef, and I love this little tool you can get off of Amazon. It makes it so easy to ground the meat. Make sure to drain out your meat and get all of the grease from the bottom out of it, and put it in like something like this and let it sit there, and then you need to saute your vegetables. I usually use this from Trader Joe's. It's just super easy. Everything's already cut up for you, and it's exactly what you need from the recipe, except for it's white onions, not yellow, but whatever, it's fine. The veggies are now sauteing until translucent. Now you put in all the cans of tomatoes. Like I said, just go down below and all of the ingredients in the recipe is down there for you to refer back to. In goes the chicken broth. Now I added all the herbs to the soup, and I'm gonna mix it in, and I have to add in the meat. Okay, so I'm gonna mix in all of the meat and then let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes to soak up all of that goodness. And then I'm gonna cook the pasta and add the pasta, and we should be good to go. Looks good and smells good already. The pasta goes in. I think these little pastas are so cute. Now I have to add the beans, and that's a wrap. The beans are in, stirring everything together. It looks so good. I'm gonna let it simmer for 5 more minutes, then we're gonna go and eat it. And there is my Christmas decorating tradition soup. Yummy! Hope you enjoy it and put it into your own homes. Maybe it'll be a new tradition for you guys.